What up, everybody? Demo Realist. Site update. Put the gas tank in, gotta drop it back down, gotta do a couple more things. Running around, too busy to do anything, back and forth. Doing a whole lot of stuff, another bolt. But anyhow, yeah. Slight progress, getting some things done. Possibly going to start doing some of these stupid videos, editing. Got some software, but haven't been really doing anything. Haven't been too well a few days. Been having major headaches. So I'm going to end it like that. Feels good to be out in the sun, but hands are just fucking going crazy. Tingling, numb, pinching nerve down my back and my... So April, let's say about 3 weeks from now, I'll be on the plane going back to Florida, handle some business, see my doctor, and find out the status on getting released to go back to work. Other than that, we're going to be doing some things. I'm going to have to send coils back and some other things, possibly catalytic converter, manifold, or find somebody with it and see if I can rent it. We'll figure it all out. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video like this. Say, wash your hands, have a good day. My fingernails are clean, yo. I haven't really touched anything in fucking 2 weeks. So like I said, I haven't been all too feeling well, but you all be good or be good at, in the word of Sugar Free. Stay safe. One.